Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about the concept of branch in Git. Let's say I want to make changes on the file that I cloned by deleting a feature and adding my feature, but I want to still keep the copy which I cloned. What I'll have to do is create a branch on my Git and commit my changes to that branch. With this, I'll have the original copy of the source code and still have the modified copy also, which I made changes to. So to create a branch, we will use this command. Let's pull up our command prompt or your terminal. Git branch. Then the name of the branch, let's say new branch. New branch, not new branch. New branch. And we say enter. With this, our branch has been created. Let's run Git branch to see all our branches. Let's say Git branch. As you can see, we have the master branch which we have been working on for some time now, and we have the new branch which we just created. Now, like I said in the previous video, this asterisk sign here means we are currently working in the master branch. Now if I want to work on the new branch which I created, I would switch to working on the new branch with this command, git checkout, and the name of the branch, in my case, new branch. As you can see right here, we have switched to the new branch that we created. Now if I run the git branch command again, you'd see that the asterisk sign has shifted to the new branch because that's the branch that we are working on currently. Now let's make some changes to the files again. Let's go back to our VS Code and let's say not total age, let's say some age, and let's change this to 100 and let's save. Let's come back to our terminal, to our command prompt, and say git status. As you can see, our source py file has been modified again. So we'd say git add, and we'll say git commits. Age change. As you can see, we have successfully committed our change to our Git repository, but this time it's not committed to the master branch, it's committed to the new branch which we created. Now let's push our file to the remote repository and let's say git push u, and let's say my repo, and let's pass in the branch name which we created. It's a new branch. And as you can see, we have successfully committed our changes to our new branch. Now let's head over to GitHub and let's see what we have. Let's refresh our page and see what we have. You see, now we have 2 branches. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.